Hi, good evening, no? So, sa mga nagtatanong pala sa akin na nasa Pinas right now, kung paano makapunta dito sa UK, paano mag-apply ng work. Actually, right now, nung na-check ko yung workabroad.ph, wala pong result na lumabas. Ang lumabas, puro nursing. Nurses. About to UK, Ireland, puro nurses and demand. But currently, wala pa pong UK. But don't worry. Maybe soon, magkakaroon din ng hiring sa Pilipinas para sa mga ship papunta dito sa UK. But may other option naman na kung gusto nyong malaki talaga na sahod, highest salary. Apply in Australia, because Australia and UK, their salary range is almost the same. So if you are in UK or if you are in Australia, your salary same lang. Yeah, I recommend Australia and UK if you want to work abroad for a chef, because they have the highest salary paid. What's the agency in Philippines? So the agency is Ceros Global Incorporated. Again, Ceros Global Incorporated, and they have hirings also for welders, auto electricians, truck mechanic, and sa mga pastry cook din pala. Sushi cook, sushi chefs, cooks. So, mag-apply kayo sa Ceros Global, send your CV or resume sa email address nila. Actually, nagre-reply din sila kasi nag-send din ako one time sa kanila ng CV ko, nag-reply din sila. But, dito ako sa UK. So to those who are in Philippines or maybe outside in Philippines, maybe you can apply also. They will check your resume or CV, and if you are qualified, then they will contact you. So, Ceros Global, wag muna kayong UK kasi wala pang UK. Maybe if you are in outside Philippines already, it's easy for you to come here in United Kingdom. Ganon. Alam mo naman yung mga employer, they are looking for a skilled worker or well-experienced one. So, mas marami kang experience sa kitchen, at saka sa iba't ibang bansa, mas madali kang mapili ng employer ba, kasi nakita nila, wow, galing na to sa ibang bansa, tapos iba-ibang cuisine yung pinanggalingan niya, iba-ibang cuisine yung na-experience niya, so will experience siya. So but if you are in Philippines, apply in Ceros Global. Australia, Australia right now, $70,000 per year for a skilled worker chef for a chef in Australia. So how much that one? Diba? Mahigit sa $5,000 per month. Kaya apply mo na kayo sa Australia. Thank you.